offers a fresh start each day in a community surrounded by nature and open spaces. Amarino Crest Residences is nestled within the Habitat Township with 3 access points, namely Taytay, Antipolo, and Angono. You can easily reach the surrounding areas, plus Metro Manila is just a short drive away. Huwag niyo po kakalimutan yun, ha? Short drive away lang sa Metro Manila. 11 kilometers to Ortigas CBD via Ortigas Avenue. 12 kilometers to Quezon City via Marcos Highway. 18 kilometers to BGC Taguig via C5 Road. And 32 kilometers to Alabang via C6 Road. It also hosts esteemed institutions like San Beda University and Paref Rose Hill School. Life at Amarillo